Okay, so let's try to create the circuit in this area. Use previous web chain and so tells you how to locate the circuit in this area. And this to similar circuit is here and other one is here. So let's figure out some to solve this. So first of all, let's this procedure to this circuit. We to this circuit is used to do previously this circuit and this circuit series IC is here and this equation the circuit and series IC is here. Okay, let's begin. So this is a full-print RC and here also a full-print RC also is sorted to do this high frequency transfer pin. This also high frequency transfer pin. Okay, so there's another tool is just show what is similar to the first three you see is a 50 volt 10 microphone. So let's install this one. So this is the pistol in this pistol and this pistol. So what value of this cluster and similar capacitor 54 to the 3 microphone is also available in here, but this capacitor is 10 microphone. So this means it has basic cover in this IC is another type of capacitor. Okay, so let's see forget it. Okay, so another trick is okay, another trick is optocupler. Okay, so this is optocupler. Okay, optocupler. Open 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and similar optocupler is present here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That just is the feedback circuit. Okay, so feedback circuit is okay, this is feedback circuit. Feedback circuit is here. And the 1K register is here. And this pin is here. And pin number 2. Pin number 2 and then control. Pin number 2 and control is here. Wait, was here and wait. So this pin number is here. To register pin number 2 just to remove some kind of adjuster. So this is to register is to here to this the music post to the output. Okay, so let's find pin number 2. And 7. Password and 7. So okay. Pause and 7 here to here. So this is it. Now